Even a basic and cursory examination of who our audience will be will prove beneficial for any designer or illustrator. My late father was a bespoke tailor, a craftsman, who always despaired over off-the-peg garments. While that always made me laconically smile, he did have a point which stuck with me within a different creative industry. We spent time in our design school education to develop the technical skills within our specialism to do the job of designing and illustrating. But when do we consider what the audience would appreciate rather than what the client wants? We learn that as we get more experience and we improve our effectiveness. Peirce's Semiosis offers us a semiotic structure to enhance our effectiveness within his determination flow: concept, representation, interpretation, meaning.